Hello everyone. For today, we're going to have Godan Verb Kanji number 4. Our verb is iru. Iru. The kanji has 9 strokes. The JLPT level is N3. And the meaning of iru is to need or to require. So I'm going to draw the kanji for iru. It's 9 strokes, and we're going to start at the top, which looks like a handbag. That's 6 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 3 strokes at the bottom, which is woman. 7, 8, 9. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's the kanji for iru, and it's 9 strokes. How to remember this kanji? At the top of the kanji is something that looks like a handbag, and it has 6 strokes. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on the bottom of the kanji is the woman radical, which has 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. We can also remember it with the sentence, a woman needs a handbag. A woman needs a handbag. The onyomi reading of this kanji is yo. And here are some of the words that has the onyomi reading yo. We have ju-yo, which means important, essential. We also have hitsu-yo, which means necessary, needed. Yo-ten, which means main point or key point. Yo-kyu, which means demand or request. And yoyaku, which means summary or gist. For our example sentences, let's start with sentences in the polite form. We have passportu ga irimasu. I need a passport. Tsuika no shiryou wa irimasen. I don't need additional documents. Gyoka ga irimashita. I needed permission. Yoyaku wa irimasen deshita. A reservation wasn't needed. To form the polite form of the verb, we need to start with the dictionary form, which is iru. And then the first thing that we need to do is to get the mass stem. And for Godan verbs ending in ru, we make the mass stem by changing the ru to ri. The mass stem, so now the mass stem is iri. Now that we already have the mass stem, then we can already add the the mass form of the verb. And that would either be mas, mashita, masen, or masen deshita. So that's irimasu, irimashita, irimasen, irimasen deshita. Irimasu means need. Irimasen means don't need. Irimashita means needed. And irimasen deshita means wasn't needed. Okay, next we'll have sentences in the plain form. Let's start with the plain present tense. kore ga iru. I need this. This is needed. Sore wa iranai. I don't need that. That is not needed. Okane ga itta. I needed money. Sore wa iranakatta. I didn't need that. That wasn't needed. For the plain present negative form of the verb iru, we once again start with the dictionary form, which is iru. And for Godan verbs ending in ru, to transform it to the plain present negative, we need to change the ru to ranai. So it now becomes iranai, which means don't need. To change iru to the plain past affirmative, we once again start with the dictionary form of the verb, and then for Godan verbs ending in ru, we change the ru to tte. So this is now the te form of the verb, and to change it to the plain past affirmative, we change the te to ta. So it's now itta, which means needed. For the plain past negative, iranakatta, we would need to start with the plain present negative, which is iranai. And then we need to change the nai to nakatta. So that's iranakatta, which means didn't need or wasn't needed. For the other sentences, we also have mizu ga iru. Do you need water? Mo iranai yo. I don't need it anymore. Kasa wa iranakatta. I didn't need an umbrella. Hoka ni nani ka iru? Do you need anything else? So that's Godan Verb Kanji number 4. It's the verb iru, which means to need. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again on my next video.